So as photographers, oftentimes we spend so much time trying to edit and trying to get the best equipment out there so that we can take photos to impress the people that are going to be looking at these photos on social media. So the truth is, our clients usually don't care at all. So all they want is having their moments captured, and that is what matters. So oftentimes we spend so much time trying to edit, trying to fix very simple and minute details in images which are not going to be noticed at all by our clients. So oftentimes we tend to over edit in the long run. So sometimes the clients don't care about this. It is because we have a mindset that what are other photographers that are going to be seeing the photos I post, what are they going to be thinking about these very photos? So we try to spend a lot of time trying to convince them here and there, trying to impress them at the end of the day, and we are fixated in a loophole of trying to impress our fellow photographers instead of rather trying to do it for the clients. So the clients don't care about your gear, they don't care about the equipment, they don't care about your advanced editing and color grading softwares or editing styles. All they care is, or all they care for is the final output that you give to them. So you have to think about this every time you're trying to edit these photos, because sometimes if we have that kind of mindset of trying to do our work to impress the people that are in the same field of photography or videography, we tend to do so much, and at the end of the day you're going to be exhausted and you're going to burn out, and you are not going to be enjoying that kind of profession that we ventured in. So at the end of the day, the clients don't care about all these things. They don't care about advanced or the software that you're trying to use to edit. At the end of the day, all they care about is you delivering their photos on time and delivering the best photos. So don't mind about we photographers that are going to come online and we try to criticize your work as a beginner photographer out there. So all you have to do is have a different mindset from trying to impress fellow photographers. Have a mindset of impressing the client, because at the end of the day, it is the client that is going to be satisfied, and it is the client that is going to be paying you that money at the end of the day, and not your fellow photographers. So let's take it out of our mindset that every single time you're trying to edit, we are editing to impress fellow photographers. So many times these photographers are going to come online and they try to maybe degrade your work and they try to be negative about the work that you post. But at the end of the day, put it at the back of your mind that photography is a business. Yeah. And that business is being invested in, or it is the clients that are paying you at the end of the day. No photographer is going to be paying you to do their photo shoot. It is the client. So however much these people may be dissatisfied, or the people in your field, however much they are going to be dissatisfied by your work and they drop all those hateful comments in the comment section, you shouldn't focus on that. Don't focus on that, focus on the client. So was the client happy about the work that you delivered to them? Yes. Were they satisfied? Yes. Did they pay you to zero balance? Yes. So that is basically what matters. Remember, photography is a business, and photography is not all about impressing the people in our circle. We don't do it for photographers, and remember, clients don't care. They don't care about the equipment you use. They don't care about those tiny and minute effects that you add to their images. All they do, or all they care about, is a very beautiful image. So even if you edit it and it impresses the client at the end of the day, and it doesn't impress the fellow photographers, that is what basically matters at the end of the day. So this is my peace of mind, and you can let me know what you think in the comment section below.